Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead here on ArklateXHomepage.com, as well as the ArklateXHomepage.com app. And looking at the weather pattern, you can see that upper level ridge is moving towards the north and east as expected, as we are not looking at much as far as any rain across the region as expected today. That might change a bit, especially for the last half of the weekend. Slight chance of rain tomorrow, better chance as we look ahead to the weekend. Here's a look at Futurecast as we go through the nighttime hours tonight. You can see that we will see a clear to partly cloudy sky tomorrow. Expect a mix of clouds and sunshine. Possibility for that scattered afternoon shower thunderstorm. Right now that chance looking highest over the northwestern edge of the area and the southern sections of the Arklatex, basically south of Interstate 20. That activity should wrap up tomorrow evening, and then as we go through Sunday, we will see a little bit better chance for more coverage of those showers and thunderstorms across the region, especially over the western half of the region. And going through Sunday night, we will see that activity kind of fall apart, and then Monday, not really a whole lot popping up here with the latest run of Futurecast, as we'll see a partly cloudy sky, partly to mostly cloudy sky, and still about a 20% shot for a shower and thunderstorm. Looking quiet for Monday night, and then Tuesday, you can see rainfall chances will remain rather slim. We will see quite a bit in terms of showers and thunderstorms off to our northwest. This is a cold front which is going to slide its way into our area as we look ahead to late Tuesday night, Wednesday morning. This thunderstorm activity will be much weaker by the time it gets here. All that said, here's a look at the weather pattern. You can see moving forward, we'll see that ridge kind of camp out over the east coast. You can see the arrival of the front, and notice how the rain falls apart just as it moves into the Arklatex. And you may have noticed that disturbance in the Gulf of Mexico that this particular model is now seeing, and other models kind of varying on the intensity of that disturbance. But it is looking rather certain that it will probably stay to the east of the Arklatex. That said, total rainfall from now through next Thursday, showing you that the heaviest totals will be over the northwestern sections of the area, where an inch or two will be possible. Other than that, probably a quarter to half an inch for the southeastern half of the area. Temperature-wise, looking at lows tonight, staying in the well above normal range, upper 60s, low 70s for lows tonight, including 71 in Shreveport, Marshall, 70 degrees for the low temperatures tonight in Texarkana. Tomorrow, I expect another warm day for this time of year to start the weekend, as we'll see highs back up into the upper 80s. Now, I mentioned that tropical system, the National Hurricane Center. You can see the yellow, orange, and red there. They are now indicating a high chance that we will see at least a depression form during the course of the next 5 days, somewhere probably in the western Caribbean or the southern Gulf of Mexico. Now, as far as where that system may go, here's a look at some of the tropical models. And you can see, given the fact that this thing really hasn't developed yet, don't have all the models, that some of them not even seeing it yet, but nonetheless you can see where they are taking in this system, again to the east of the Arklatex, and this course would not affect us too much. We have to keep an eye out though, because with this front coming in, it's possible that it may not get picked up and sent to the north and east. It's very possible it could stall in the northeastern Gulf, and then who knows what could happen with it. But right now it looks like it's going to stay to the east of the Arklatex as we go into the middle and last half of next week. All that said, this is what it looks like as far as your 7-day forecast for Shreveport. Looking at that best chance of rain this weekend Sunday. Another pretty good chance Wednesday morning, I think, with showers and thunderstorms possible. Daytime highs, you can see mid-80s through Tuesday, cooling to the low 80s by the end of next week. Notice the 63 Friday morning. I still think 70s on the way for next weekend for highs, and 50s for nighttime lows for at least Shreveport. Texarkana, you're looking at, again, best chance of rain Sunday as well as Wednesday, and then you can see the drier conditions to close the work week, with a high temperature next Sunday, or Friday I should say, in Texarkana, staying in the 70s, a sign that that cooler air is going to be returning. And once that cooler air gets here, most of the following week looking at near, if not below normal temperatures, both at night and during the day. So all in all, looks like a possibility for a few scattered showers and thunderstorms, especially Sunday. Another decent chance for some rain Wednesday as the cold front moves through, and we'll be keeping a close eye on some tropical development possible in the Gulf of Mexico as we go through the weekend and first part of next week.